તો આપણે ત્યાં જઈને પછી છે એટલે 3-3.5 થઈ જાય એવું નથી. હા કર્યું ને એને ફરીથી કરે. ના હજી ક્યાંક મોટું નીકળતું હશે કન્ટિન્યુઅસ.
જો પેલા પેલા ગેસ પણ નીકળે જો ગેસ પણ નીકળે.
હા મોડ વેલકમ. ભાઈ ત્યાં જાઓ બોલાવે છે. આ ગેસ નીકળી છે ને. પછી ઉતરતા તકલીફ પડશે. હા જો અંદર ભડકો છે સાંભળ્યું આ ઉપર. ના બરાબર નહીં ભડકો ફાયર. આ બાજુ આવો.
my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but real anxiety can foggy up.
Ateshgah. Ateshgah means Atesh is fire, Gah is house. This area, home of fire, place of fire. Then all this time, a lot of priests, a lot of Brahmin, a lot of the merchant pray here, because this area environment is full of the natural gas, natural fire to burn. Then
Come.
and each room's the upstairs description. Yes, there is Hindu, Sanskrit. Swastik element. Direction.
Is it in Sanskrit? Yeah. निर्मित मंदिर व हाँ वैद्यनाथ देवता का जो ना
हिंदू
हाँ
निमित्तम मंदरम भगवाया ओम गणेशाय
Also, in 1883, the temple, the shaman of the temple was killed by the local people, and that's why the temple was closed in 1883. I mean, after 1883, it was not working as a temple. Also, one more time, yes, and this one.
This area, 3 million years ago, outside, only natural fire. This area only natural fire. This is the first inhabitant. First inhabitant knife. This living the people, this fruit cutting, the vegetables cutting with knife. This area, till 17th centuries until 19th centuries, this area is three religions living. This Hinduism, Zoroastrian, Sikhism. This Hinduism, Ganesh Devi. This Zoroastrian symbolize Parabhakar. Parabhakar, 3 wings. Good word, good deed, good thought. And the leaves say, bad word, bad deed, bad thought. This, you can see this merchants sequay across to India and Europe and China and they came to Azerbaijan. You can see this first temple. Firstly, the longest time before Christmas ever, this first day Zoroastrian merchants came to Azerbaijan, this area. Then after 2nd century, the building of the temple. Then after the 7th century, local people accept Islam religious. That's why first temple closed. That's why destroyed. Then after this inscription, Arabic alphabet, Farsi language. Only spoke Arabic part. Yes. Then 2 inscription Farsi, and 2 inscription Sikh inscription. This temple 17th century is the building. Then after 18th century, temple is the best time. A lot of priest, a lot of Brahmin, a lot of merchant pray come here. And because this area natural fire, natural gas. Then after 19th centuries, there's the outside oil industry, temple the outside. Oil industry, oil plants. That's why this the temple the inside natural fire, natural gas. So in 1883, natural fire stopped, finished. Then after, in the Brahman went to India and the Zoroastrians went to Iran, the Persian. Then after, temple was closed. Firstly, there's the 1964 years opening the museum. This area, nowadays restoration done after. These items from here, excavation the found.
Well, what we see here. Firstly, that is our next destination. It's supposed to be burned since 3 million years.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong, why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and